The book dash by the author last year. The book was written by the author last year. The cake dash by Martha for the party. The cake was baked by Martha. English dash in many countries around the world. English is spoken. The car dash by my father yesterday was driven by my father. The movie dash at the theatre next week is showing at the theatre next week. The door dash accidentally by me. The door was locked accidentally by me. The letters dash by secretary this morning were typed by the secretary. The injured dog dash to the veterinary clinic for the treatment was taken to the clinic. The ancient ruins dash a long time ago were discovered a long time ago. The new product dash in high demand by customers is being in high demand. The stolen items dash by the police were recovered by the police. The concert dash due to bad weather was cancelled due to bad weather. The important announcement dash by the CEO tomorrow will be made by CEO tomorrow. The bridge dash before the storm hit. The bridge was closed before the storm was hit. The treasure dash deep underground is buried deep underground. The confidential information dash to the unauthorized personnel must not be given. The new employee dash with the company's rules and regulations should be familiarized. The mistake dash by the team during the project. The mistake was realized by the team. The fire dash quickly by the firefighters was extinguished. The proposal dash by the committee next week will be considered. The old house dash to make way for a new shopping complex was demolished. The mysterious letter blank by someone anonymous was sent by someone anonymous. The injured hiker blank by the rescue team at dawn was found. The traffic jam blank due to an accident on the highway was caused. The project dash successfully ahead of schedule. The project was completed successfully.